An electrical arc flash can release extreme heat, blinding light, and even deadly shock waves in an instant. If you're working around high-voltage equipment, understanding arc flash risks is critical. Are you prepared to stay safe? Introducing the Electrical Arc Flash Awareness online course from OSHA Online Center. In just 13 minutes, this course provides essential training to help you recognize arc flash hazards, understand safety measures, and protect yourself from serious injury. In this course, you'll learn what causes an arc flash, how to identify warning signs, and what steps you can take to reduce your risk. Understanding arc flash hazards. Learn what triggers arc flash incidents and how to minimize the risks. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Discover the right arc-rated clothing, gloves, and face shields needed for different electrical hazards. Safe work practices. Master best practices like de-energizing equipment, following lockout, tag-out procedures, and maintaining safe distances. Emergency response. Know what to do in case of an arc flash incident, from immediate first aid to reporting procedures. Following proper lockout, tag-out procedures can prevent deadly accidents. This course teaches you how to safely shut down and verify de-energization before starting work. In an emergency, every second counts. You'll learn the correct response steps to minimize injuries and ensure proper reporting and medical care. Upon completing the course, you'll earn an OSHA-compliant certificate, proving your knowledge in electrical arc flash safety and your commitment to workplace protection. Sign up today by clicking the link in the description. Enroll now with OSHA Online Center.